G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Thursday, the 15th of January. And it's fairly active across eastern parts of the country for Thursday, with widespread showers and thunderstorms across much of northern and inland Queensland, and a deepening trough bringing showers and thunderstorms through parts of New South Wales and much of eastern and southern Victoria. And some of those could be severe with large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall. Onshore flow also bringing showers through parts of Tasmania, and notice through here much drier and cooler conditions through southern parts of South Australia, becoming hot as they get into WA thanks to those easterly winds, while showers and storms will continue across much of the tropical north. So let's take a look at all of that in more detail. Firstly, in Queensland, we can see that widespread rain and thunderstorm activity right across northern and inland Queensland. And some of those could be severe with that thunderstorm activity bringing heavy rainfall. Notice that southeastern Queensland looking pretty quiet though on Thursday, with warm and sunny conditions, but very hot through far western parts of Queensland. You can see over here 45 degrees at Birdsville. Though dry and sunny in the southeast, as I mentioned earlier, 31 and partly cloudy for Brisbane. Now taking a look in New South Wales, that inland trough that you can see over here, that's going to deepen and bring rain and storms to much of eastern New South Wales, particularly through central and southeastern parts of the state, where we could see heavy falls and severe thunderstorms likely, pretty much from northern New South Wales all the way down into southeastern parts, with large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall all likely. And for more information on this, you can check out our severe weather video posted earlier. Temperature wise, pretty warm and humid for this time of year, as you'd expect. Very warm inland, you can see up there 43 degrees in far northwestern New South Wales. Cooler on the coast with humid rain and storms. Sydney 28 and rain and thunderstorms there. Canberra also 28 with rain and thunderstorms, and some of those storms could be severe. Moving down into Victoria, similar story. That inland trough you see here, that's going to slowly deepen and bring widespread rain and thunderstorm activity through eastern and then southern parts of Victoria during the day on Thursday. Some of those storms through eastern Victoria could be severe as well. Temperatures on the cool side, but it will be humid, particularly through eastern and southern parts of the state. Temperatures only in the low to mid 20s there, warming up a little bit though into northern parts of Victoria there into the low 30s. Staying dry in the far west and northwest, showers and storms in the east and south. Melbourne 24 degrees with showers and thunderstorms. Moving down into Tasmania, at a mild to warm day on the way. Rain and storms mostly staying around Bass Strait, though we could see a few light showers through parts of the east coast. Temperatures around the high teens to low to mid 20s. Hobart looking at a possible shower or two, and 19 degrees. Moving up into South Australia on the backside of this weather system in New South Wales and Victoria, we're going to see cooler southerly winds spread across at least southern parts of the state. Pretty windy and gusty as well, you can see here with some of those wind icons. Cooler as well in the south, only getting to around 20 degrees at Mount Gambier. Adelaide 25 degrees and partly cloudy, but warming up as you get into northern parts of South Australia with temperatures into the low 40s. Moving over into WA, and heat continues to be the story there. Cooler though along southern parts of the coast thanks to those onshore southerly flows. It's heating up in Perth though. You can see here 36 degrees and pretty warm and sunny, and that's thanks to that west coast trough deepening, and heat continuing as you'd expect right across inland and northern WA, with temperatures in the high 30s to low to mid 40s. And moving up into the tropical north, showers and thunderstorms this time of year as you would expect across the north, mostly focused around the remnant moisture from ex-tropical cyclone Koji in northwest Queensland, and some of that's going to extend into eastern and northern parts of the top end as well. While further over into the Kimberley, it's just going to be hot with isolated showers and thunderstorms. Very hot through southern parts of the NT with temperatures in the low to mid 40s, and also overnight lows also very warm as well into the high 20s. Darwin looking at a fine partly cloudy day, 33 degrees. Maybe an inland shower or storm later in the day. With all the weather going on around the country on Thursday, make sure you get the latest forecasts and warnings for your area via our website, app and social media, and we'll continue to keep you updated here at the Bureau.